Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Panasonic ES2207 is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly personal groomers on the market, designed to offer a smooth and comfortable shaving experience for women. Whether you're looking to achieve silky smooth legs, tidy up your bikini line, or even tackle facial hair with precision, this electric shaver aims to deliver salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home, making it a convenient addition to any beauty routine. Number 5. Women's Rechargeable Electric Shaver. Introducing our new electric shaver, designed for women. Achieve smooth skin with ease on your bikini line, legs, and underarms. Enjoy the flexibility of using it in the shower or on dry skin. Its cordless design makes it convenient for any situation. The detachable head ensures thorough cleaning and maintenance. Keep your shaver in top condition for optimal performance. This rechargeable trimmer offers cordless freedom, allowing you to move without restrictions. It's always ready when you are. Experience a gentle yet effective shave that won't irritate your skin. It's perfect for even sensitive areas. From bikini lines to underarms and legs, this device handles it all. Get a complete grooming solution in one compact tool. What we like? This electric razor offers the convenience of cordless, wet or dry use, making it perfect for your shower routine. Its detachable head ensures easy cleaning and versatility for different areas. If you're looking for a reliable, all-around body groomer for legs, underarms, and bikini areas, this is a great choice for everyday grooming. What people say? It's very easy to use, lightweight, and has a beautiful design. The battery lasts a long time and charges quickly. The first thing I noticed is the super bright light on the underside to light up my skin and make it super obvious if I missed any hairs. The second thing I noticed is that it removed the hair close enough to my skin that my legs looked perfectly smooth. This shaver works very well. My knees are clean shaven now. The light on the shaver is super helpful. No irritation at all with this shaver and no pulling of hair. Number 4. Braun Silk Expert Pro 5 IPL Hair Removal. Tired of constant shaving and waxing? Discover a revolutionary way to achieve long-lasting smoothness right at home. Our cutting-edge intense pulsed light technology targets hair at the root. It's designed for effective and gentle hair reduction. This device is suitable for both women and men, offering a personalized hair removal experience. Achieve permanent hair reduction on various body areas. With 2 specialized heads, you can precisely treat different areas of your body. Enjoy the convenience of professional results in your own space. Achieve a significant and permanent reduction in unwanted hair with consistent use. It's the smart, simple solution for smooth skin. Embrace the confidence that comes with beautifully smooth skin. This is your at-home solution for lasting hair-free results. What we like? Experience long-lasting hair reduction with this advanced IPL system. Its rapid treatment times mean you can achieve smooth skin efficiently. If you desire a more permanent solution to hair removal and want to reduce regrowth significantly over time, this is ideal for at-home, professional-level results. What people say? After a few uses, I already noticed slower hair growth and smoother skin, which is exactly what I was hoping for. It glides smoothly over the skin and doesn't take much time to cover larger areas like legs. I've been using this for well over a month now with beyond amazing results. Before shaving would take an hour plus and at least 7 shaver heads. Now it takes less than 20 minutes and 2 heads. Number 3. Panasonic Arc 3 Shaver Replacement Foil and Blade Set WES9013 PC. Is your current shaver not giving you the close shave you desire? It might be time to replace the essential parts. Ensure optimal performance with this genuine Panasonic replacement outer foil and inner blade set. It's designed specifically for your shaver. This set is compatible with Panasonic Arc 3 3-blade shavers, including models like ES-LL41K and ES8103S. Enjoy a perfect fit and seamless integration. Replacing the foil and blade is simple and quick. You'll have your shaver back to its best in no time. With a fresh foil and blade, you can expect a smoother, more comfortable shave every time. Rediscover the precision you love. Keep your shaver performing at its peak with this essential maintenance kit. It's the key to a consistently close and clean shave. What we like? Maintain the optimal performance of your existing shaver with this genuine replacement foil and blade set. Designed for a perfect fit, it ensures a close and comfortable shave. If you own a compatible Panasonic shaver and want to restore its cutting efficiency, this is the essential part to keep your grooming tool in top condition. What people say. Fit perfectly and shave smooth. Like a brand new shaver now. Easy to replace in just seconds, and it's like a new razor. Cheaper than replacing the razor, and you'll get the satisfaction of a job well done. This kit fit my Panasonic ES2207 perfectly, took less than 2 minutes to install, and now my shaver performs like new. Highly recommend before spending money on a replacement. Number 2. Conair Cordless Dual Foil Shaver and Trimmer. Introducing the Conair Cordless Dual Foil Shaver and Trimmer. Achieve smooth skin with ease, wherever you need it. This versatile grooming tool is perfect for your face, including delicate areas like ears and eyebrows. It also handles legs and bikini lines effortlessly. Experience a close and comfortable shave thanks to its dual foil design. It effectively removes unwanted hair without irritation. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. It's powered for convenience, making grooming on the go simple and efficient. Get beautifully smooth skin from head to toe. This device is designed for your complete hair removal needs. What we like. This versatile grooming tool is designed for precision on various body parts, from face to bikini lines. Its dual foil system provides a close shave while the integrated trimmer handles longer hairs. If you need a compact, cordless device for detailed grooming and touch-ups across different areas, this is a convenient option for maintaining your look. What people say. Cuts well, good in water or outside of water, holds a charge pretty well. This is a great shaver for the price. It shaves your legs, face, arms and any other body parts closely and does not leave any stubble. I wanted a wet-dry shaver that was battery-operated, not rechargeable, as I already have that. This shaver is battery-operated and stays on the shower shelf. I really like this shaver, it works very well in the shower and shaves relatively close. Number 1. Philips SatinShave Essential HP 630650. Discover a new level of smooth with this essential electric shaver. Designed for your legs and body, it provides a comfortable and close shave. Experience irritation-free shaving thanks to its hypoallergenic foil. It's designed to be gentle, even on sensitive skin. Enjoy the flexibility of shaving in or out of the shower. Its wet and dry functionality makes it perfect for your routine. Move freely without restrictions. This cordless shaver offers ultimate convenience for easy grooming anytime, anywhere. Achieve beautifully smooth skin with ease. This shaver is your go-to for quick and effective hair removal. Get the smooth results you desire with this reliable electric shaver. It's the perfect addition to your personal care collection. What we like. Enjoy a gentle and comfortable shave with its hypoallergenic foil, designed to protect sensitive skin. The cordless, wet and dry functionality allows for flexible grooming in or out of the shower. If you have sensitive skin or prefer the convenience of a quick, smooth shave anywhere, this electric shaver is a great choice for effortless leg and body grooming. What people say. Works well on dry skin. Performs well on thicker, coarse hair. Ideal for short medium-length hairs closer to the skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.